This year, we opened up our fantastic new offer, Pinc Woodlands College. Pinc Woodland College offers a unique approach to education and pathways into employment for neurodivergent young people aged 16 to 24 years old.
There's a huge skills gap in the green sector, and the green sector covers a huge variety of job roles, and so I said it'd be really good to move Pinc College across sort of the blueprint into the green sector, and there's a lot of job opportunities. It's a growing market, there'll always be jobs, there's apprenticeships, there's lots and lots of avenues and pathways that our students will love and thrive in. And obviously you've also then got a lot of the mental health and wellbeing things about being outside.
Our campus at the Staffordshire Wildlife Trust offers level 2 and 3 diplomas. In addition, it can offer extended diplomas so that students can gain enough UCAS points to go to university.
So traditionally the conservation sector isn't very diverse, and we're working hard as the Wildlife Trust to try and expand the reach of our work. So it's really fantastic to work with Pinc Woodlands and the students here to make our future workforce, but also our volunteers and the people who engage with us, a more diverse environment and a more inclusive and welcoming space for everybody. So Pinc Woodlands students have got the opportunity to look after a really busy site that's heavily used by lots of visitors. So there's path clearance, there's woodland coppicing, woodland management. They can do water measurement and monitoring in the river and in the lakes. There's habitat surveys. They can get involved in all of the sorts of site management we have to do to make this a safe and welcoming space for people. We've got on site, we've got woodlands, we've got river access, we've got lakes, we've got other buildings that they're able to use, our learning centres and our TPs and outdoor classrooms. We've also got staff on site and volunteers on site with lots of experience of managing different areas of land.
So Pinc College is a very inclusive, supportive learning platform. Lets us learn more about the wildlife and how it all evolves and what different animal species there are, plant species. So it's just a place really to get more of a breakdown, in-depth detail of wildlife and nature. I am learning really, it's a wildlife conservation course, so what I'm learning is basically how to look after the nature and how to look after just generally the wilderness and all things like that. So just basic maintenance on the level 2 diploma on the wildlife and conservation. I thought, you know what, I'll be a part of this team to make a change to this wilderness.
Pinc College is a place where I feel welcome.
It's built me up as a person. It's allowed me to become more independent and work out skills and develop knowledge which I never thought I would have.
Pinc College is, wow, yeah.
Pinc College is unlike any mainstream college.
Best place of education I've been to.
Coming here has made a massive change to my life.